What's good, YouTube family? It's me, Big D, and your boy Chopper down here, as y'all can see. Well, but before we get started with this video, I would like for you guys to hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you won't miss any of my future videos that'll be coming pretty soon. But first, I gotta grab something to eat. It's mukbang time. As you can see, guys, this here is the PB&J Bagel. It's pretty good, huh? Looks pretty good, don't you think? You remember that joke I told you about the PB&J? It's like this peanut butter jelly sitting in a tree. K-I-S-S-I-N-G. First comes love, then mixed colors. They are happy for one another. Well, guess what? They are happy for one another. Yep, I turned the PB&J sandwich to a PB&J bagel. Cause I thought some PB&J could go in something else besides square breads. I thought they go into some little circles. See, look at this, look at this. Looks pretty good, huh? But don't worry, PB&J Junior will be coming out pretty soon. Alright, enough talking and let's chow. And I guess you guys are wondering, what kind of milk is this? I'll tell you about it after a gulp. Here I go. That, my friend, you guys, that right there is a 2% reduced fat milk. And you know, the reduced fat milk is about more healthier than excuse me, more healthier than a whole milk. Because I heard reduced fat milk can easily help you lose some weight too. But whole milk makes you gain some. Like, I know milk makes your bones get stronger, but for the reduced fat milk, it helps you get stronger. And you can have more energy for breakfast when it comes to getting something from breakfast. You know what I'm saying? Well, dogs don't drink milk. Well, guys, dogs don't drink milk, but they do drink some water. When dogs get very thirsty, they like to drink very water, especially in hot weather, on a hot summer day. You just gotta make sure you give your dog some. You just gotta make sure you give your dog some water, and make sure you put some ice in it too, so that way they can stay hydrated. Okay. You guys get what I'm saying? But guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video so far. But if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you guys are return subscribers, welcome back. I'm so happy to see you again. And if some of you guys are new, remember to hit that subscribe button and turn your notifications. If you guys are mukbangers in this fam, please go ahead and share out this video. Please do. Share it on Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter. We're gonna get it all the way up, dogs. So I will see you next time on the spot. Peace.